I start with a view, as many people do, that my money is not my money.
Mm-hmm.
It's God's money.
Yeah.
And if it's really my money, who cares what I do with it? But if it's God's money, now all of a sudden I have an awesome opportunity and responsibility to take good care of it. And then I can go on, if I can sermonize for a second, it's not just our money. It's our time, our bodies, our relationships. They're all from God. And so we're to be good stewards of all these things. That's where it started. I felt that for some time, but now I'm doing it full time, as it were. And it's just great because my worlds now are one, as opposed to, if I would mention Jesus in a meeting at BlackRock, what's wrong with him? Now, if I have a meeting, I don't mention Jesus, what's wrong with him? Yeah. So it's a very, very different picture.